Acharah Kulamakhyadi Deshamakhyadi Bhashanam Sambhrama Snehamakhyadi Vipurakhyadi Bhojanam Vipurakhyadi Bhojanam Sambhrama Snehamakhyadi Deshamakhyadi Bhashanam Acharah Kulamakhyadi Acharah Kulamakhyadi Deshamakhyadi Bhashanam Sambhrama Snehamakhyadi Vipurakhyadi Bhojanam. A man's deeds, actions reveals the status and the esteem of his family. His speech reveals about his country, which language he speaks, the way in which he speaks, the style in which he communicates will tell which place he is from. His respectfulness tells about his affectionate nature. What is the feeling will come in the face, the way he deals with the people. And the shape of the body will tell what variety sorts of food he takes. The food habits can be seen in his body shape. So this verse, Achara Kulamakhyati, your assessment of a person, which category he belongs to, what status he has, what culture he has, what nature he has in his surroundings, all that can be seen by his achara. While you can see the pronunciation, the style in which he talks, all that will tell where he is from, which country he is from, which language he speaks, all that can be seen. Similarly, there is a normal proverb which says, face is the mirror of the mind, the thoughts. As the thoughts is, the face will show. Therefore, if you have love, it will be seen in the face. If you have hatred, that will be seen in the face. Therefore, emotions comes in the face. It is the shadow of the face. If somebody eats too much, you know, body status is like that. If he controls his food, we know his body is like this. Achara Kulamakhyadi. The culture is seen from his people with whom he is having company. The culture represents his company of people with whom he is associated. Deshamakhyadi Bhashanam. The way somebody speaks, you know which place he is from. Sambhrama Snehamakhyadi. The way your face reflects will tell what is in your thoughts. Vipurakhyadi Bhojanam. Looking at the body, you can tell what sort of food he takes.